No, this has something to do with her job being a Secretary of Justice. Because the two men involved here, Cesar Mancao, where is Cesar Mancao now? Yun ang tanong, saan si Cesar Mancao? And yung kanyang intimate relationship, or whatever relationship she had before Cesar Mancao, ito ang ginamit ni Cesar Mancao para makatakas So you remember that Cesar Mancao was under the Witness Protection Program and under the watch of National Bureau of Investigation. Paano ito nakalabas? Paano ito nakatakas? Pangalawa, itong si Ronnie Dayan, yung driver bodyguard niya. Ito na ang relasyon ng Ronnie Dayan sa kanya ay ginagamit nitong Ronnie Dayan for case fixing and promotion of prosecutors and agents of the National Bureau of Investigation. Tell me, Jovi, is this nothing to do with her job? Hindi lang ito yung sasabihin natin na relasyon niya. No. The reason, ito ang nainisan ko, ba't ako in-stop Coco Pimentel? Because he doesn't know that I will not, it's under oath. Unang-una under oath yun. Ang gusto kong malaman ng buong bansa ay itong kanyang pakikipagrelasyon dito sa dalawang ito ay ginamit ang kanyang poder being the Secretary of Justice. Pag yan ay kinonfirm, isasabog ko po. Magkabastusan na tayo, isasabog ko itong nandito sa aming hawak.
Miss Sandra,